If you're constantly feeling distracted, scattered, or pulled in 10 directions, this episode is for you. In today's Thrive in 5, I'm sharing how mindfulness can help you recenter, focus on what matters, and feel calmer, all without needing an hour-long meditation. You are listening to the Thrive in 5 podcast with Cindy Gordon. This is your daily dose of productivity, motivation, and success strategies. I am here to turn your big dreams into actionable goals, one step at a time. Ready to make the most of the next 5 minutes? Let's dive in. Let's talk about mindfulness, not as something you have to master, but as something you can practice. Because the truth is, staying focused and present in today's noisy, fast-paced world takes effort. Between notifications, to-do lists, and mental clutter, your brain is constantly being pulled away from the moment that you're in. And when that happens, you lose clarity, peace, and the ability to show up fully. So how do we fix that? We bring our attention back to the now on purpose. That's called mindfulness. And when you use it intentionally, even for a few minutes a day, your productivity can skyrocket. So here are a few simple things to bring mindfulness into your daily routine. You can start the day with a grounding moment. Before you check your phone, take 60 seconds to sit still and breathe deeply. Ask yourself, what do I need to feel today? Where do I want to focus my energy? This intentional pause helps you begin your day with your mind and not behind it. Use mindfulness as a reset button. Whenever you feel distracted or overwhelmed, try the 3-2-1 reset. Look around and name 3 things you see. Notice 2 sounds that you hear. Feel 1 thing that you can touch. This pulls you out of your thoughts and back into the present moment where you can refocus with clarity. Do a single task with intention. Instead of multitasking through your entire day, pick 1 task and be all in for that task. Whether it's writing, folding laundry, or even eating lunch, give it your full intention. It may feel simple, but this is how you train your brain to stop rushing ahead and start working more efficiently. This works because mindfulness lowers stress, boosts focus, and helps you respond with intention instead of reacting out of habit. It's not about being perfect, it's about being present. And presence is what leads to consistent, focused productivity. Let's recap how to practice mindfulness for more presence and focus. Start your day with a quiet moment of intention. Use the 3-2-1 grounding method as a mid-task reset. Focus on 1 task at a time with your full attention. If you are ready to implement this tomorrow morning, here is your to-do list. Take 60 seconds in the morning to breathe and set your intention. Try a mindfulness reset when your brain starts spinning. Practice giving 1 task your full presence instead of multitasking. You'll be amazed at how much faster things get done. Mindfulness doesn't slow you down. It helps you focus on what truly matters. And when your mind is present, your results start to follow. Thanks for tuning in to the Thrive in 5 podcast. If you found value in today's episode, I'd love for you to leave a review. It helps more listeners discover the show. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a dose of productivity, motivation, and success tips. And hey, share this episode with a friend that could use a little extra inspiration. Until next time, keep thriving and remember, you've got this.